How to fix Cash App can't link card at this time error. In this video, I will show you how to fix Cash App can't link card at this time error. The first step is to open or launch the Cash App mobile application as you can see here. This is the homepage of the app. After that, go ahead and tap on the profile icon here at the top right corner of the screen. You will land on the profile section of your account as you can see here. After that, scroll down. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Okay, let us proceed. Finally, come to the bottom of the page. From the options here, tap this one named Support. Please wait for the page to finish loading. As you can see here, this is the support section of the Cash App where you will find sections that can help you get assistance on issues you face on the app. From the options that are here, tap this one named Adding Money. After that, you will land on this other page here where there are more sections related to payments. From them, tap this one here named Add Money. You will once again be taken to this other page where there are more options. As you can see, there are different ways of adding money on the Cash App that you have a problem with. From them, tap on this one here named Problem Linking Card to a Bank Account. After that, you will land on this other page where you will see more options related to the previous section. Depending on the type of card you are trying to link, go through these sections and choose the appropriate one. Mine is a debit card, so I will choose this option. Cash will then take you to this page where you can see some steps you can take to find a solution to the problem you are facing. You can go through them also. Finally, go to the support section and then tap on the option named Chat, which is under it. From there, you will land on the feedback box of Cash App where you are supposed to type a short message asking them to fix the issue for you. Make sure you explain to them clearly the issue you are facing. You can also copy what I have typed here. Hi, I am having an issue linking my debit card to Cash App. Kindly fix this issue for me because I keep getting an error when I try to link it. After that, send them a message and give them time. Thanks. That is how to fix Cash App can't link card at this time error.